Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's news roundup for February the 5th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, the FDA announced plans to revise the approval process for opioid-containing therapies in response to growing opioid abuse. FDA Deputy Commissioner for Medical Products and Tobacco, Robert Califf, commented, "We are determined to help defeat this epidemic through a science-based and continuously evolving approach." Also featured, study data suggests that statins may have efficacy in the treatment of some patients with dry age-related macular degeneration. Treatment with a high dose of Pfizer's Lipitor resulted in the clearance of fatty deposits from the retina and improvements in visual acuity in some patients. In other news, a report from the UKs Public Accounts Committee concluded that the Cancer Drugs Fund has not been managed effectively. The committee also said it is unacceptable that the government is still unable to properly assess the benefit of the scheme to patients. In addition, the FDA issued a complete response letter for Vertex Pharmaceuticals' application seeking expanded approval of Kaleido K. The filing covered use of the drug in people with cystic fibrosis ages 2 and older who have one of 23 residual function mutations in the cystic fibrosis transmembrane conductance regulator gene. And finally, Valeant's interim CEO Howard Schiller plans to ask US lawmakers to change rules that ban drug makers from helping Medicare patients pay their out-of-pocket drug expenses. Schiller said, "We encourage Congress to re-examine this policy and consider whether changes are warranted." To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.